few more minutes, please. We're still in session. We promise that food will be served as soon as we are done with it. Thank you.
Next, I would like to bring up Dr. Shakram and Mrs. Shakram for a few words. Dr. Shakram has written numerous books and he's received an award from the President of India. So give it up.